Ito ang pinakakaibang IKEA na nakita ko.
顾客您好，请不要停止
May
检
model
查，
ang
在沙发上随意
nakatanggal ng
呼
shoes
吸
at
或吹
naka-eye
手。
mask
同
pa
时，不
siya.
要让任何人离开，保持最后一排的沙发。
Oh, nice. May area dito. Yung mga ayaw mag-gym, dyan ka na lang. This gym is 24/7. Oh, they have hot water. They have cups. They have everything. Gusto mo magkape-kape? Could have gone milk. Nice. Punching bag? Okay. Saan ang location ng hotel na to? I'm gonna miss Beijing. Yes, Exams Club, Livat, train station, the Beijing subway. Nice. Yeah. They also have breakfast, but not for us. So this is maganda rin pala dito to stay on. Actually, haven't really gone through around this hotel because usually you only have 24 hours and we arrive wee hours like early morning na. Ito meron place for you to relax. And then, yeah, before we head out, let's go to the toilet. I'm gonna miss Beijing. So, yeah. Okay, toilet muna tayo. Good morning, Beijing. So, it's a little bit more rainy than yesterday. Yan. Actually, kanina maulan pa eh. Like 10 in the morning, but now tumigil naman siya, so I don't need to take out my umbrella. So I think, yeah, it's a good decision that I went yesterday for the Forbidden City. Actually, according to the forecast, both are cloudy and then there's chance of rain. However, the chance of rain was higher for Tuesday, which is today. But the Forbidden City is closed on Monday. That's why I was torn. I was like, should I go on Monday or Tuesday? However, because we're going for a flight also later on, so I prefer to do everything beforehand and then relax na lang, like today. So for today's video, we are going to, because this is the last Beijing of the season, at least for me. I think towards the end of the month will be the very last. Yeah, like one of my passengers asked me, was I able to eat a Peking duck? Which is, I was like, oh no, Peking duck is like from Beijing. And then yesterday when I was walking, it's like a souvenir shop. It says there, climb the Great Wall, eat Peking duck, and then rabbit god, something like that. But for the photo, at least nagawa ko naman siya. I actually don't know about it. Maybe I will research later what is it about the rabbit god. And then, so, yeah, nandito naman tayo sa mall. Actually, don't know where to eat, but hopefully my feet will bring me to a good place to eat Peking duck. So, and it reminded me, Ay, ayan na, medyo umulan ulit. According to... Oh, takot sa ulan yan. Our airport now, AirAsia is landing in PKX, which is Daxing, Dashing, DAXING. But before, there's another airport which is PEK, which I think is a short form for Peking. And yeah, it makes sense. This is Beijing. It's like old name, Peking. So I need to eat Peking duck today. I love duck. I love duck. Yeah, if you're a vegetarian, you understand this, right? Na malungkot. But I enjoy eating duck. So it's such a shame that I've been to Beijing, I've been eating hot pot or whatnot, but not the Peking duck. So I will eat Peking duck. For my last Beijing, I will miss Hyatt Place, Beijing, Livat, and all that stuff. Because I don't know if in the next season we're gonna stay on the same place. But this is why I like doing videos. In the future, when I become a grandmother if I will have a child, or maybe grandmother to my niece and nephews. But yeah, I'll just watch what I did before. Okay. Yeah. Actually, we're supposed to do KTV yesterday, but yeah, I don't think we pushed through anymore when I arrived. So I didn't push it. But there is like a KTV here. So, Decathlon and all that. Ayan, oh nga no, I didn't notice this one. They have the yung fruits na. Kaya may picture ako doon. Kasi si Kuya ang galing eh. Very good ka doon. Sige. Okay naman, mga rabbit. Ay, hindi. Different animals pala siya. Cute. Gabriel! Giraffe. Really big IKEA here. And actually, I want to eat some from IKEA, but let me try to find the Beijing doctors. Okay, maybe I'll look at the menu. Ito naman ang cute. Parang may mga pang date siya. But it looks so dark, actually. Hanap tayo. Taste of Jiadong. What is that? Jiadong. Here's where we ate before. A hot pot. But for today, I want to find the Beijing duck. Eto, what do they have naman? Wala kasing English eh. Ay, may English pala. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Skyland Go-Go. I think this is the, ano yan? Ayun! Ayun, may mga duck. Let's see. Ay, kaso lang, in Chinese. Ito, nakalagay duck rice. So, maybe this? Kaso for reference lang daw. Ito talaga yung payment nila, kaya lang touch and go. Wala ako. Lang nagalit si ate. Joke lang. Ang pansukle. Pero yung stuff nila mabait dito. Kaya dito na ako bumili. Tsaka, yun nga, di ako marunong mag-English. What I do, tina-translate ko siya and then papakita ko na lang ganon. Charot! Tas okay daw. Okay. Yeah. Ayan. So, may nahanap tayo na duck. Beijing duck. Ay. Peking duck. So, at least I will be able to try kung may difference ba. Actually, mahilig talaga ako sa duck eh. Especially when I was in, Germany. Weird, di ba? Duck yung pinakain ko doon. Meron akong favorite doon, Jing. And then, ayan, dito, tayo sa food court. Wala pa masyadong tao. And today is a weekday, Tuesday. Compared dati, yung Saturday, Sunday, nakaka-stress sa sobrang dami ng tao. Grabe. Feeling ko talaga nasa Chinese tayo today this video. So, buti na lang, I went here in the tawag dito, parang food court. Naka-Chinese yung mga characters, pero dahil they have that small, introduction, description, meron ako translator, nasa second, ito napapakita, pero kasi ito din yung ginagawa dito. Tapos, yun, pag yun na, papakita ko na lang siyang gano'n. Easy seat, yan, ganyan. Tapos, mabait naman sila. So, I want to eat the Beijing duck or Peking duck. And then, there is a free soup. So, parang 29 lang siya. Mas mura pa nga sa kinain ko kahapon. So, try natin itong kanyang soup. Corn soup. Corn veggie soup. Sarap. So, I guess, mas mahal talaga everything in Beijing. Because, yeah, if I remember correctly, in Shanghai, the one beside our hotel, parang ranging lang siya sa mga 15 to 20, tapos may free tea pa yun, ha? Pero minsan dito naman tayo sa capital, so maybe mas mahal yung mga masarap ng soup, itadakimasu. Bless the hands who prepared it, hands nila manang, the farmers who plant the carrots, who took care of the dog and everything. Harap. Let's try the dog. The one in Jingjing has a sauce, parang sweet chili sauce siya. Kaya talagang gusto ko yun. And then, veggies. Parang ito din naman. So, iba-ibang style. Let's try. Ang linam na. Wow. Commercial yan. Tama si si passenger. Diba? This one, ang ikaw gulay. Ano naman siya? Medyo maanghang. This one, this is everything I like. Buti na lang pumunta ako dito. Sometimes talaga. Ako kasi kung ano na yung nakita ko, pag nakita ko na yun, gusto ko na yun, alam ko na yun, yun na yun. But I still look around. Just to be sure. Kasi pag kinasa mo na yun, like for example sa food, diba? Kasi di mo masyadong gusto, parang sayang naman. Hindi ko alam kung gutom lang ba ako, pero masarap talaga siya. The veg. It doesn't really look appetizing, to be honest. Pag din mo sa kanya parang lungkot, pero masarap siya. Ito, masarap siya. Ito crispy on the outside and juicy and parang na-marinate siya for a long time. Really nice. Ito a little bit spicy. Malinamnam din. And then the rice with soya sauce, I think. So yan, dito po yan. Sa roast. Malapit lang siya sa entrance. Fairness, sasarapan ako. First time kong makakaubos yata ng food. Ito na lang din kaya yung take out ko. Mamaya. My new favorite. After this, maybe kaya ako pumasok ng IKEA. Mapa-relax and enjoy. And then, isip ko kung iinom ako ng milk tea. Kasi last try na ko na to. Haiti. Kaso lang malamig. Ay, ang social naman nung kay ate. Ang laki. Kaya nyo ba yan? Baka pwedeng share. Dahil charot lang. Ayan. Ang laki. Ang sila kay Mr. Lee from SZ. Mr. Lee, Rose. So this is the Go-Go meal. And then this one is the Pokemon official gym. Ang laki. Let's go. IKEA is on this side actually. So kahit vending machine, Alipay talaga. Alipay everywhere. Grabe, so nabusog tayo for our lunch. And then actually, ito nakita ko si ate. I think famous yan dito. Mukhang longganisa. Sarap. But I think it's a fruit glazed. So, alam ko na hindi ko siya magustuhan. Sarap. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganun eh. Una sa lahat, hindi ako mahilig sa fruit. And then, may sugar pa. But, because I'm already here and may picture ako niyan kahapon, maybe we can try. Sige, try ko na. Since kanina pa na naman nakasmell si Kuya. Ano-ano kaya yung difference? Ayan o. What? What is this? It's red color. Red. Is it same? Different. Alin kaya? So, ito siya. Popsicle core. So, yan. Dahil may picture tayo dyan. Tapos, yan yung parang kinakain nila. Try natin. It says Candied House. Candied House. I don't know what kind of fruit is this. And then it's glazed. So, parang kakaiba. Interesting. Let's try. So, yan. Try tayo nito. Hindi ko ito maubos ang dami. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pero, try natin. Hindi ko talaga siya ma-figure out kung ano siya. Try. Masarap. Pero grabe yung sugar. Ang laki. Ito yung nasa picture ko eh. Okay. Ano kaya itong fruit nito? Ano ba? Ito familiar sa fruit na ito. Nakakakainin ko ba ito? Anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. Glazed fruit siya. Maasim siya pero dahil may tamis, naman. May pagkaasim siya talaga. Pero sayang. Ano siya ubusin? Okay, naubos ko din naman siya. Okay, so ang pangalan pala talaga niya ay Hawthorne. So instead of milk tea, ayan, Hawthorne, tinry natin yung parang fruit candy nila, which is famous usually during Chinese New Year, given to children. And yun, Hawthorne pala talaga yung pangalan ng fruit. Wala kasi kami nun. May toilet pala doon. Ay, that pala. So, parang hindi naman demo na yan. Parang tulog na siya. Kalog. Dito pala talaga sila. Baka hindi naman sila mahigpit. Ang kasama yata talaga yan sa model. Ay, mas ba si ate yun? Kakaiba tong idea na to. Kakaiba pala dito eh. Mapapasana all ka. Iba naman. Resting. Okay pala mag-vape dito eh. Oh. Na-enjoy ko to. We reached the finish line. Kala ko din na matatapos. Char. Cash and card. Dito pala. You cannot use the self-checkout. Talagang scan sila lahat. So I have to use this. Laki ng markup pala. Right, so for the last stop of the day, we have Seven Fresh, the groceries. Ito kaya yung Hawthorne? Hindi naman siguro. We need the translator. It looks like malambot naman siya. Not sure. Try natin. Ang kaso lang ano siya. Wow, from yan, hindi ko alam ko. Masarap siya ha, pag-itis. Kaso, ang kasama niya ay bread. Ano kaya ito? Parang tigo. Ang hirap din ang hindi. Ito, ano na yung sopaw. Try natin. Ano yung nakalagay pala natin?
这啥馅儿的？猪肉的。
Sarap ng bangsopa. Ito naman, kinakabahan ako. Okay kaya itong parang tinapay na to. But you'll never know, right? So let's try. Okay, roast duck burrito pala siya. Parang i-assemble mo siya as a burrito. Okay, try. Siyempre, di ako pwede dyan sa mga exchange check-out. Wala akong Alipay today lang. So I need to pay cash. Excellent choice. Nasa baba lang pala yung grocery. Yung entrance. So I'm back to the corner where I first saw you. Charge. Hi, Beijing. Ayun, tayo na. Mini siopaw. Sarap ah.
顾客您好，二中联防区域禁止吸烟，谢谢您的配合。
Mainit.
顾客您好，二中联防区域禁止吸烟，谢谢您。
Alright, time to rest now for the flight later. Paano kaya nakakapag-doorbell? Ayun, may lumabas ulit. The thing is, minsan nakakabangga siya, nakakalo.